The trunk might stay.
No, it's not.
No?
It's 100% not staying.
Oh.
I don't even know if this car is staying.
Really? You're giving up after a month?
Well, you see, better opportunities have arisen.
Is it the E91?
No.
Oh, then it's not better.
It's still a wagon.
Is it a wagon? It's a
wagon.
wagon. Is it an E34 wagon?
It could be an E34.
Is it the $15,000 one that used to be Ben Cassay's?
No.
Good, because that's a lot of money for that. Never mind. Anyway, guys, what's going on? My name's Derek. I like cars, and today we have to... What?
Do you like cars?
No. Today, we got to get this pile of out so we can put that pile of in, wherever it is. I can't see. Riley, do you want to explain?
So, okay, let's take a walk. Actually, we're going to do the full walk. So, over there behind me, way back there, there's a couple of trucks and an RV that doesn't run. There's also a massive RV right here. It doesn't run.
That hasn't moved since we've been here.
It's never
except for
moved.
when it came here and blocked our spots.
You can't see behind this building, but if you could, you'd see a bunch of vehicles that need bodywork and also don't run.
Yes. But this one is a problem.
That one is supposedly somehow a problem.
Yes.
And I think it's just Subaru hate. I think
it is racism against the Subarus. Hayden, what do you think?
I'm okay with that.
So yes, the parts car finally gets to live inside, which means we're going to be able to start cutting out the quarters in this to, well, maybe not the quarters, but the dog leg, so that Scoob cannot have a giant hole in it anymore. That means we can also drop the trans and pull the rest of the interior, and then get it sent to the scrapyard where it belongs. Hayden, how big was the screw that you just shoved in there?
Big enough.
It's poking out the other side. Hold on. Is this openable?
With your key.
I'm not taking that thing apart again.
Yeah, I don't know how this works.
German engineer.
Hayden, tell me when to stop.
You can't do that. I don't
Wow, you It's what?
Long and black.
Oh.
Oh?
Oh, hey, it didn't go all the way through.
All the way through.
Yet.
It's probably
He's just gonna rip apart.
You push right here, you can feel the tip.
The tip is right there. This is my GPS.
You might need
The
that.
previous owner believed that this does not belong in the car. You need to be silly on the front as well.
Okay.
Its problem is right here, Riley.
Yeah, true.
Just get the long screw and shove it in there.
It's like the bumper thinks it's not long enough.
Although it looks like someone's already done that in the past.
Someone has done that in the past.
That's fine. Oh, well, it's getting caught up there.
Oh. It's still having problems.
Me too, though.
There's actually important shit.
Hayden!
No, because there's important...
There isn't.
Yes, there is.
What?
There's air ducts right here, and there's radiators and things.
It's okay. You don't need any of those. Hayden found a regular size screw. Well, it is too regular size and has gone through the plate. That's an extra medium, Hayden. Do you want a washer?
Nope.
Okay.
I found a medium.
Okay.
I'll just go slow. Perfect.
We're having to take drastic action. Literally trying to get... Oh my god.
He's literally taking it up his ass. Hayden is a light skin.
What?
These are the nice pizza.
That's why I dropped it in front.
Yeah, the wheel doesn't really love turning right now due to the unique way that the control arm is shaped.
Yeah.
It's not ideal.
I think I figured out the problem with the car.
What's that?
The dent in the front is it's like it's making an issue.
That's fair.
Yeah.
That's fair. Well, that's got it.
Yeah.
Hayden, Hayden, I was gonna use this hood. Hayden, I was gonna use the windshield too. What's wrong with you? I'm gonna take that to your Beamer if you don't stop.
There are places that need it.
You're on thin ice, bruh. Falls over.
Think she'll buff or no? Get your spinny noodle away from me.
Bro is physicsing so hard right now. Aw. Very rare, hard to find 5-speed.
Garage kept.
Yeah.
Yeah.
$3,000, no tire kickers. I know what I have.
Collector's edition.
Yeah.
NASCAR. Faster.
Great. Steak F1 has passed you already.
Oh my.
That was so rude.
Where did that spare come from?
Hopefully this car. No, it didn't, because this one holds air. That was Scoob's.
Yeah.
Disrespecting Scoob like that? That's insane.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's hammer time. I think the steering rack's a bit busted, mate.
Think?
Yeah, just a little bit. Hammer time? That's much harder than you expect it to be. Okay. Hayden, what if I needed that fender?
This is the mud guard.
Yeah, but you've bent the fender.
What fender?
This one.
Oh.
What do you think the mudguard's attached to, Hayden?
Are these reps?
Probably.
I need the heavy hammer.
You should hit the reps first and see if they crack.
Okay, ready?
Holy they cracked.
It took that kind of rough, I'm not gonna lie.
It's not good.
Someone give me their TE37 to do that too.
It'll just vibrate.
Or better, their Blitzo 3. Please let me do it to your Blitzo 3.
Yeah.
Go get your BRZ wheels. This is not.
Do you need an adult?
I need your BRZ wheels.
Okay.
God, dude. Hey, new steering.
What the What the is wrong with you, Hayden?
Oh.
That was a good window. Somebody could have used that.
This thing, it's still cracking.
My.
The whole, it's about to give out. The whole middle is currently pushing in.
Why would you do that?
My brain went, oh yes, C-pillar. Forgetting that it's a Subaru. And I aimed for C-pillar. I hit the C-pillar.
What happens when we go to push on the car and it adds some stress and shatters?
It'll be fine.
It's a good thing that's some safety glass. Otherwise, you would have a real bad time right now. This, right here, this is why we can't have nice things.
I have very nice things.
Holy shit, that sucked. Alright, the BMW is now living outside, which Riley's super stoked about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eventually I'll make another video on this thing.
Or on a better BMW.
Or possibly on a better BMW.
That'd be good.
At least the tire shine still looks good.
So's mine.
Yeah.
Maxwell Detailing.
Actual detailing.
And now we are back to being a 2 Outback shop. Not that we ever were before, but you know.
Technically we're a 3 Outback shop.
That's true, we do have that one.
Yeah.
I think I have a problem, Riley.
You're just now realizing this?
It's just dawned on me that I own 3 Subaru Outbacks.
Everyone around you knows that you have a problem.
Well, you know.
Yeah.
What's the problem again?
I don't know, dude.
That's fair.
If I could have 3 335s right now, I probably would.
What's 3 times 335? Because that's how many 35s you'd have.
900 and... No, it's 1,000.
Quick maths.
Me.
1,005 is too many 335s.
1,005 might be...
Actually, that's too many eyes in general.
It might be just enough 335s, though, actually.
You think?
If you combine them all, you might get one slightly reliable vehicle.
That's a possibility. Hayden's getting some.
There you go.
That's not going to rust at all.
It's fine. I'll just weld the whole shut.
Hayden can weld it.
He can weld it. This is also not permanent, just so it looks better while it's sitting here parked.
And so it looks better on Marketplace.
Possibly. I did have the idea last night that what if I make the issues as smooth as possible,
Yeah.
wrap it so you can't see how horrible the paint is, and then sell it to some poor kid for $6,000.
Isn't that basically what you did with your last one?
No, the last one
No.
ran good.
The last one, I made it perfect, and then I sold it to a kid so he could enjoy how perfect it was.
That's true. It did never have an issue after that.
Yeah.
Would you shut up?
I hope there's not things behind the side sill.
There's a sill.
Yeah, I'm like drilling straight into the unibody.
Cool.
I took the doors off my Jeep and the unibody folded in half.
What if we just get this thing to run again and then we take the doors off of it and jump it in the desert?
I'm so down for that, you don't even know.
I honestly don't give a fuck anymore. What even is money? Money's not real.
That's a lie.
I mean, you're not wrong. Money is fake.
Well, that part's real.
Yeah.
But for us, money is very real.
Yeah. When you have 3 Subaru Outbacks and 2 BMWs that don't run in the same shop, money is unfortunately so real.
Real. That's a fucking hoss right there. God bless.
God bless.
God bless.
Hayden painted a spoon. Hayden is now doing Kegels. Probably, I don't know. Not only did Hayden absolutely shatter and destroy a good and rare quarter window, he has also ball-peen hammered the shit out of the hood and done that, and was about to fucking paint the fog light pink. What were you gonna say, Riley?
Oh, I just wanted to say that I came here to have a business meeting with my business partner.
Yeah?
And
How's that going?
All I've done is moved a wrecked Outback into the garage, my non-running BMW out of the garage, and about.
We're good at that.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Hayden's going to partially right a wrong. Thank you, Hayden. All right, Hayden got the window all taped up, so at some point it can be pushed out, and we'll have less issues there. It's a bit veiny, but we'll gloss over that. So now.
So anyway, what I was talking about is that we really need to do that live event at the bar.
So our next thing is going to be discovery, because due to the unique way the engine has been pushed back, the transmission has been pushed back equally. So that right there is neutral, which is not great. So I think the next order of business is going to be cutting the front end up to pull the core support off of the motor, and then see how much damage we've got from there. So just a quick example of how bad this car truly is. This is where this intake is supposed to land on the core support. That's how far back the core support actually is. This is a really big hit. If this drivetrain works at all in any capacity, I will be astonished. I don't have high hopes for it, but I'm hoping for the best. At the very least, if the short block doesn't work, I possibly have another solution for that, but I do still have a bunch of good parts on this I can use. So I've got a full stock airbox, which Scoob hasn't had in years, and it would be nice to have one again because it is the most efficient system for this car. We've also got an alternator. I don't know if it's good or not, but it's an alternator, so that's money. It looks to be OEM, so that could be a good thing versus my crappy parts store ones. We don't have a battery tie down. It's very bent, actually. But we've got a fuel filter, so that's something. This is probably going to be a shorter video. I think that's about all for tonight. The boys are having a meeting. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe. Follow all of us on Instagram. I'll put that in the description. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day. We got the live Randall reaction right here on the channel.
God damn!
Yeah, it's not good, is it?
That?
That's what's known in the industry as totaled.
You know, if I had my gun, I'd point it at it.
That's an interesting maneuver, but okay.
Anyways,
Yeah.
hello.
Welcome back to the channel.
My name is Scuba Bonsai, and I'm scubaing the bonsais or
Yeah.
something. I don't know.
Live Scoob reaction.
What the fuck you doing here?
Attempting to live.
What the fuck you doing here,
Being rusty.
brother? Why he ass missing? Why he ass missing?
Everybody got to be someplace.
Oh, true.
He ass actually over here. It's not missing.
Oh, damn.
He ass leaning up right there.
I found he ass. He ass in the corner.
He ass.
He ass. Damn. This bitch was rusty.
Yeah. Yeah, it was bad. The neat thing was the seam sealer in here looked like it just collected water and then made it rust more.
Sounds about right. This side okay?
As far as we know.
Time to cut it open with a hammer.
I think we're gonna actually have to cut the pinch weld off of it because of how jacked up this is.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Your pinch welds have always been fucked.
My pinch welds have always been fucked, but this one is much more fucked than the other one.
Yeah.
We're cutting the other one off too.
Oh, yeah.
The big reveal. You ready?
Look at him. Fistable.
Submissive and fistable.
True.
And if you look in there, you can see the rust that's forming on the inside of the pinch weld.
Yep. It do be like that.
Yes. Also,
Yep.
that's supposed to be connected.
It also do be like that.
Yes.
Damn.
Damn.
Hi, Derek.
BMAC. Gate.
God damn. What you do to Scoob?
Drove the piss out of it for far too long.
Why you do him a heckin' rust?
I didn't do that. Connecticut did that. Fuck Connecticut. All my homies hate Connecticut. Just for that. What the fuck are you doing? We're exhausted. We spent all day filming a video that is upcoming to the channel. Completely different from everything else I've put out. Apart from a few years ago when I put stuff like this out. Randall's here for it.
Hello.
Bro drove up from Salt Lake just to help me with a damn video.
It is I. Guy with visor. And also guy with visor.
And also... No? That doesn't visor? Well... let's see. There you go. Solid. If you didn't see the video explaining the story of Scoob, Randall, I would like you to give your thoughts on the situation for the people at home.
Why he steel red? He's steel red. Steel red bad. Steel red bad make frame no good. Frame no good make drive no good. Drive no good equal hit wall. Maybe. No good.
Had a fucking stroke during that.
The lack of oxygen helps. Yeah, no, for real though. That car rusty.
That car very rusty.
That car rusty.
This car not rusty though. It's bad in other ways. Well, apart from that fender.
Actually.
We don't talk about that fender.
That car rusty.
Yeah, that's just the fender.
Damn.
Nothing we can do, by the way, is worse than what Hayden did earlier in this video.
Oh.
Bro just took a ball-peen hammer to random bits of the car, mostly the hood. He hammered a fucking smiley face into it.
Oh, hell yeah.
He also decided it would be fun. Well, he hit the windshield a lot.
Yeah.
He also decided it would be funny to just throw the hammer at the car.
Oh.
And as a result, this window cracked.
So you just sealed it off.
I made him do it.
Yeah.
You'll notice it's a bit veiny, but we'll
Yeah.
gloss over that.
Oh, you have extra spark plugs on your...
No, cool fun, Dad.